Hey guys, I'm Chef Tim Hollingsworth. Today I'm going to be teaching you one of my favorite recipes. This recipe is going to be grilled chicken wings. Grilled chicken wings that are going to be seasoned with a coffee spice rub. Let's get started. Alright, our first step is going to be combining all of our ingredients. We have brown sugar in the bottom of the bowl. At 12 o'clock we have kosher salt. Then we have chili powder, onion powder, cocoa powder, garlic powder, ground coffee, curry powder, black pepper, and in the center, Aleppo pepper. All right, so we have our spice mixture here. We'll start to season our chicken wings pretty liberally. Toss the chicken wings together. A little bit more, making sure that you coat it nice and evenly. Alright, so we have a sheet tray here. I'm going to line it out on the sheet tray. You want to make sure that they're not really touching each other, so they cook nice and evenly. And each chicken wing has an opportunity to get nice and crispy and golden. Alright, so we're going to place these in the grill. The grill's heated up to about 500 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to cook it until it's an internal temp of about 165 degrees. If you don't have a grill, you can use a grill pan, you can throw it in your oven, you can cook it on your favorite grill at home.